In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively delete an expense from your records. Staying organized is crucial in managing personal or business finances, and occasionally, you might find the need to remove an expense due to duplication or an error in entry. So let's dive into the steps required to do just that. First, you'll want to navigate to the expenses section of your financial management software. This is typically found within the main navigation menu. It might be labeled as expenses or something similar, depending on the platform you are using. Once you've located this section, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a detailed list of all the expenses that you have recorded in your account. Next, you'll need to find the specific expense that you wish to delete. This might require scrolling through your list or utilizing any available search features to quickly locate the expense. If you're dealing with a long list of expenses, look for options to filter by date, amount, or category to speed up this process. Once you've found the exact entry, click to open it. This will provide you with a detailed view of that particular expense, showing all associated information such as the amount, date, payee, and any notes you might have added. Now, let's move on to the deletion process. After opening the expense, look towards the bottom of the page where you should see an option to delete. It's important to pay attention here as this option might be in a more subdued color or in a less prominent location compared to other options to prevent accidental deletion. Click on the delete button. Upon doing so, a confirmation dialog will likely appear. This is a safety feature designed to ensure that you really intend to remove the expense, since this action is typically irreversible. At this point, you will need to confirm the deletion. The system will prompt you with a message asking you if you're sure about deleting this entry. Read the prompt carefully and make sure that this is indeed what you want to do. If you are certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion, often by clicking a button labeled Yes, Confirm, or something similar. Once confirmed, the expense will be permanently removed from your records. Remember, by keeping unnecessary expenses off your records, you ensure that your financial data remains accurate and up to date, allowing you to make better informed decisions based on precise information. Thank you for tuning in today, and I trust that this walkthrough has been helpful in managing your expenses more effectively. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out or look for additional resources and tutorials on related topics. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time.